Hey, it's Holly, and today on The Proper Pineapple, we are going to unbox my Jimmy Beans Crochet Club box. So basically, jimmybeanswool.com has all these wonderful clubs where it's like a mystery project you do, and it's quarterly, so it's like 3 months in a row. You'll like get a little piece of number 1, a little piece of number 2, a little piece of number 3. And I've done the Crochet Club for the last quarter, and I loved it. I got all these minis from Sheepjays, however you say it. Sorry, guys. And I got it again this month, which is the first month of the quarter. Now, quick little thing. This is the Crochet Mystery Club. They also have, I'm looking, a knit club. They have a Tosh blanket club. They also have a Jimmy's Indie Club for like indie dyed yarn. And they also have a Tosh shawl club. So if you are looking for a club with a mystery box to get, I cannot highly recommend this. I have loved my unboxings of these every single time. I haven't gotten anything that I hated. I always loved it. Now this month, particularly, I'm kind of excited about. One, look at this itty bitty box it came in. No idea what's in here. Like with the last month, I had saw previews online. I knew, or the last quarter, I should say, those 3 months, January, February, March, the first quarter of the year, I saw previews online on Jimmy Bean's Instagram and on their Facebook and all that. And I was super excited about it because I knew exactly what it was. I've been looking and haven't found nothing. Now, I'm not saying they're not out there. I'm saying I personally could not find any of the previews. So I honestly have no idea what's inside this box. All I know is it will be part 1 of a 3-part crochet mystery make-along. So, let's open it up and see. Got my little unicorn scissors because I've been moving some stuff around and I can't seem to find my box cutter anywhere. But it's just this one little piece of tape here, so it's not like a whole bunch. This, let's see. We're going to open it up. I can get my nails to work here. You see? That's what I see. It's all wrapped in a plastic baggie here, so this is it so far. Now I can tell you that it's in one of their Namaste snap bags. That's what this red is. Love those. I got one in last quarter's box and I absolutely love it. It's great for stuff because it's like this mesh material. You can use it for like anything. So I'm gonna get rid of the plastic bag. Sorry about that. Apparently my dogs were making a lot of loud noises. Okay, so here's the snap bag, and let's unsnap it and see what's inside. I'm super excited. I've got 2 of these now. I don't know where the blue one is at this very moment, but I will find it. Okay, so the first thing I notice is this adorable little blue ball of yarn, which we'll talk about again here in a second. Okay, it's Sugar Bush Cabot, C-O-B-T, by the lake. 70% Pima cotton, 30% linen, approximately 145 yards. Let me hold that up. It's this stunning, there we go, navy blue. It is a cotton linen mix by Sugar Bush, which they were October, November, December of 2018. So I got Sugar Bush with them and I loved it. This is really soft. So, and then let's see. Okay, let me get down. What are we making? It says Jimmy's Crochet Club, The Stitcher Went to the Market, designed by Michael Selleck. Okay, it does not tell me what I'm making, but it looks, I can't show you because this is the pattern. So I can't just show you the pattern. But it looks like we're making shoes. There's like a little, I can't show you because I gotta be able to block it, but it looks like we'll be making some sort of slippers or something, which is really, really cute. Now, I have never made the project that comes with it. I'm super busy. I got other ones, but I love getting the yarn. It also came with a little bit of soak. This one is Fig. So just a little thing of their soak. Jimmy Beans also has soak for your wonderful wools and cotton linens too, obviously. It came with a bunch of little light bulb style stitch markers. Love these, so that's great. And that makes me believe even more we're going to be making some sort of pair of slippers because of 1, there's a sole of a shoe on the bottom of the pattern, I'm not gonna lie. And 2, you always need lots of stitch markers when you're working a shoe. And then last, but certainly not least, came in this little pouch here. And I'm gonna open it up. It's a little bitty bag. It's like a little notions bag. It is adorable. Let me get it up close. It's just navy with some adorable little polar bears. So, so cute. Oh, and the inside of it is like a yellow, mustardy yellow kind of vinyl-y feeling fabric. Really, really cute. I'm assuming this is for all my little stitch markers and stuff, which I'm going to dump right in there right now. I love a good little tote for stitch markers. Get in there, everybody. Everybody. Oh, yes. So, again, this is month 1. I'm super surprised because I had no idea what to expect from this month's club. And I got these stitch markers with this cute little bag. Of course, I got the Namaste Click or Snap bags. Love these. Like I said, they're totally mesh. You could obviously use these for yarn and stuff like that, but I personally use them for like kids' toys at the beach, bathtubs, stuff like that because it's mesh. It's perfect. I love them. And then, of course, the wonderful, beautiful cotton linen yarn from, let's see, it's got a little paper on the inside. I bet it says the same stuff on the paper that was in the bag. Yep, Sugar Bush Cabot by the Lake. 70% Prima Cotton, 30% linen. I'm super excited. Right there is about the perfect color. It's very beautiful. And who knows, maybe this month I'll actually make the pattern. What do you guys think? Should I? Everybody's going to tell me to. I know they are. I will think about it. So you guys, if you don't do Jimmy Beans, I can't recommend it enough. I love it. I love the idea of getting a surprise every month. You guys know I do KnitCrate too. I love Jimmy Beans. It's so much fun. I buy from them all the time. I will link the Crochet Club down below, so please go check it out. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful April. As you guys know, it's my favorite month of the year. I wonder why. Well, I gotta get out of here now, guys, so bye.